Today we're doing a sequel to my previous video on removing a stuck Moen faucet cartridge. This time, I'm starting completely from scratch and showing you a safer, easier method to get it out, without risking damage to your plumbing. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed. New Moen cartridge, Moen 1200, 1222, or correct model for your faucet. Flathead screwdriver. Needle nose pliers, or awl. Moen cartridge puller tool. Washers or a deep socket. Plumber's grease. Towels or rags. Small bucket. Step 1. Remove handle and cover. First, we'll remove the handle. Use a small flat screwdriver to carefully pop off the cover. Behind it, you'll see a screw. Loosen that to take the handle off. Next, pull out the decorative trim piece. To give us more working room, I'm also removing the escutcheon cover plate. Be careful here. You don't want cracked tile or break the seal. Step 2. Remove the retaining clip. Now you'll see the retaining clip that holds the cartridge in place. Use an awl, needle nose pliers, or even a small screwdriver to carefully pull it out. Don't lose this piece. It's important when we reinstall. Step 3. The problem with the plastic tool. When you buy a replacement Moen cartridge, like this Moen 1200, they give you this little plastic tool. The instructions say you can turn the cartridge 90 degrees and pull it out. But if you've ever dealt with a stuck cartridge, you know this tool is useless. It doesn't do the job on an old, seized part. Step 4. Why the cartridge gets stuck. Here's where most people struggle. When you use the Moen puller, it only pulls out the stem, leaving the cartridge body still stuck inside. That's why so many of us break ears off or bend tools trying to yank it out. So what's the real solution? Step 5. The bolt and washer method. We're going to tap threads directly into the cartridge and use a bolt to pull it out. I'm using a 12mm x 1.75 tap, though some people also use a 1/2-inch tap, which works fine. Carefully cut threads about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch deep. Remember, the cartridge is brass, so it cuts easily. Once that's done, back out the tap. Now thread in a hardened steel bolt. I picked up several lengths at Ace Hardware. Strong bolts are important. Don't cheap out here or you risk snapping one inside your faucet, which would be a nightmare. Step 6. Setting up the puller. Here's the trick. Add washers or even a socket over the bolt to create a pulling surface against the faucet body. As you tighten the bolt down, it pulls the cartridge straight out. Watch this. It's moving already, and there it is. The cartridge comes out clean. Much safer than torquing and risking broken pipes. Step 7. Alternate socket method. Another viewer suggested using a 3/4-inch socket as a spacer. I tested that too, and it works just as well. Just make sure your bolt is long enough to reach through the socket into the cartridge. Same result, smooth removal. Step 8. Installing the new cartridge. Before installing the new cartridge, rinse out the faucet body to remove any metal shavings. Slide the new Moen 1200 in, making sure it's seated all the way. Reinstall the retaining clip, then reassemble the handle and trim. Step 9. Correcting hot and cold orientation. If you test the faucet and your hot/cold are reversed, don't panic. Just turn the water back off, pull the retaining clip, and rotate the cartridge 180 degrees using that same little plastic tool. Reinsert the clip and you're good to go. And that's it. We safely removed and replaced a stuck Moen faucet cartridge without risking damage to the faucet or pipes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY plumbing fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.